and one of them's a longer single one. And they're actually two different colors. The 3-pack is warm white, and the longer one is cool white. I'll show them running side by side later in the video, so you can look at the difference. As I'm unboxing this, just a note on some of the features. They are motion activated, and both have touchless dimmers, so that's pretty cool. So you'll notice it comes with all the necessary hardware to install it. If you want a more permanent installation, you can use the screws that come with it. It also has 3M brand adhesive strips and some little clips if you want to mount the wires. With the 3-pack, you can set them up in different ways. It comes with these close range connectors, so you can make one long bar out of them, or you can string them together with these wires, or a combination. Just remember to put the bar with the sensor on the power supply. That way it works properly. Although the casing looks like it's made out of aluminum and seems to be sealed, they're not made for outdoor use. And it says that in the instructions, use them indoors only. If you want to use the motion activation, you need to put the power source into the one that says power goes here, and the motion sensor is in the middle of the bar. The motion sensor was easy to use, just don't wave your hand too fast. Here's how to use the dimmer. Just hold your hand over the sensor for more than 1 second, it'll start to dim, and then when it gets to minimum brightness, take your hand away, put it back, leave it there for a second, and it'll go back up. And the lights remember where they were the last time you set them, so it'll be the same brightness when you turn it back on. There's no actual physical switch on these, which is part of the design. I think you're supposed to just use the motion sensor. You can also plug it into a power strip that's hooked to a light switch. That's what I did on this demonstration. These things are pretty bright when you look right at them, but I don't think they're made to illuminate an entire room, more for surface lighting or small areas. They are bright though. Each of these small strips throws out 230 lumens, which is, I think, equivalent to like a small lamp bulb, but it only uses about 1/8 of the power. And because of that, they don't generate a lot of heat, and also have a pretty long lifespan, about 25,000 hours. So yeah, that's a long time. I like the overall quality of these. The fit and finish is good. There's attention to detail, even stuff like giving you 3M adhesive instead of like a generic one. Details like that make a difference. So overall, I had fun unboxing, testing these out. My cat seemed to enjoy them too. I don't have anything negative to say about them. It's more of a question of, is it something you would use in your home or not? I'm sure I can find a ton of different uses for these, and kind of looking forward to messing around with them a little bit.